My name is Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a very colorful look. I wanted to do something with some yellows and oranges, and I have these Juvia's Place palettes. I never use them. I only use like 1 or 2 colors, and I wanted to have a very colorful look for today. So this is a little extreme for me because usually I wear like 1 or 2 colors like that's bright and then mix it with some browns and some neutral shades, but today I went full force in with the bright colors. So yes, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
Okay, so first I took this red color from the Morphe 3502 palette. It looks more orange on camera, but it's red. And that color wasn't deep enough for me, so I went to the Juvia's Place palette, the Sahara 2 palette, to take this darker, deep red, like cranberry color, and to deepen up my crease. Next, going into the Zulu palette, I'm taking the pink shade from that palette and placing it above the red shades. And then I went in with this orange shade from the Zulu palette and placed it on top of the pink shade. Then I'll be taking the yellow shade from the same Zulu palette and placing it on top of the orange shade. To cut my crease, I'm going to use a Clinique concealer brush and MAC Pro Longwear NC45 concealer. Now I fast forwarded this part, but it does take time to actually cut your crease, and what I do, I constantly look in the mirror to see exactly how high up I want to go. For my lid color, I'm going to use that same yellow that I put at the very top. It's coming off kind of orange, but it's definitely a true yellow you will see towards the end of the video. I didn't want a thick liner, so I just went in with a black liquid liner and just lined my eyes closer to my lash line. And for lashes, I went in with my Ardell 250 lashes. And of course, y'all see my foundation routine. So on this part, it's very self-explanatory. So for contouring, I'm going to use an oldie but goodie and a new product. So first, I'm going with this brown shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm starting it off with my contour. Then I'm going to go in with the oldie but goodie, which is going to be the Queen Collection Ebony Bronze to deepen up my contour. For blush, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio. And before I add my highlighter, of course, I'm going to set my face with MAC Fix Plus. Now for my highlighter, it got very disrespectful, of course. I used Rihanna Fenty Trophy Wife, and it was just booming, like it's gorgeous. I'm actually going to go in with a lip liner, and I'm going to tight line my eyes. For my lips, I'm going to go in with Chestnut by MAC. And then on top of Chestnut, I'm going to go in with Shayla times ColourPop lipstick color in Ooh. For gloss, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. I'm not sure the name, but it will be down below. I also went in with the new MAC matte spray to set my face at the end.